Okay, today is my last day of work as a full-time employee. After today, I will be full-time working on Design the Everything. So that's kind of exciting. Lunchtime. It has been my tradition for years that on every Friday I go out, I grab lunch, and listen to the Business of Machining while I eat lunch. I've probably been doing that for 3 or 4 years now. No more. Gosh, I've been doing that for at least 5 years. I wonder when the bomb started. Anyway, lunchtime. All right, I am leaving my day job for the last time as a full-time employee. I'm not done with them yet. I'm still going to be working here part-time. I promised them at least 3 months of me being part-time. I don't know. It feels like a big step. It also kind of hasn't really set in yet because, I'm still working here part-time next week, and I'm still coming in Monday. So even though I'm leaving on Friday, I'm still going to be here normal on Monday. So I guess Tuesday is really going to be my first day where anything is actually different. But yeah, this day's been coming a long time, and I don't know if I'm ready for it yet, but here we are. I grabbed my nice mechanical keyboard. I just knocked off a key. Nobody needs F8. I grabbed my nice mechanical keyboard and my vertical mouse and my nice tactile turn pen, because apparently that's what I value in the office and I want in my home office. Guess I should drive home now and get to work.